Hi guys, my name is Elwa Saleh. I'm from the Elwa Saleh channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I get a lot of requests for this video and I'm here to share tips and tricks on how to trim my curtain bangs. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep watching. I'm going to be trimming my hair dry. I usually love to trim my hair dry. I'm going to be using these shears. This one is a regular shear and this one is a blending shear. This right here is a total game changer. You guys are going to see how beautifully it blends the ends. But for the first step, I'm going to be using these regular scissors to cut off length, and then I'm going to go in and blend. We're going to start right here in the front and we're going to do a V section. This time I want my bangs to be a little bit thicker than how they were before because I really want them to frame my face. Now I'm tying the rest of the hair back, that way I don't cut any of them. And to start off, we're going to focus that more right here at the front. And these will be put to the side because we're going to taper them down. Put these behind my ear. And now I'm just creating more of a cleaner V. That way things are more symmetrical on both sides. And now what I like to do is to twist the hair. This is one of my favorite tricks to establish layers. And as you can tell, it's super blunt. You see how it established that nice angle on the side like that? So this is gonna be our new guide. Oh, it feels so good to get my bangs back to normal. So now I'm going to take the rest of this section and bring it towards my face. And since we have the guide established already, I'm just going to follow that line downwards. I'll take a small section and grab with my fingers and slide it all the way down until I see that guide. Grab my shears and slice it downwards. See that? And then I'm just gonna finish the rest off here. Take them together like this and I cut the rest. And now I'll take the rest of the hair and kind of run my fingers through it and see how it lays naturally. If you're like me, I love to use hot tools and I use them a couple of times a week. And often I get many messages asking how I keep my hair really nice and healthy. And one of the biggest products that I use is a heat protector. And this specific one here is by Tresemme. It has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which I need. All my hot tools are up to 450 degrees. My hair straighteners, curling irons, everything. And I keep it that high because I need that extra heat. Sometimes I even spray a heat protector on dry hair before I even go out and I'm in the sun, even though I'm not going to be adding direct heat on my hair cuticles, but still like to protect my hair no matter what, because there are environmental factors out there. There is the sun that always shines so beautiful and bright here in LA, and so it's really important that I protect my hair. When it comes to adding direct heat on the hair, it is so much more easier to get dry, brittle, and split ends. For me, when I don't use a heat protector, I notice that my hair looks dull and not shiny. This one adds a ton of shine and it also keeps your hair nice and smooth. I like to spray this more mid-shaft all the way to the ends. But first, I gotta shake all that good stuff. This product is also really good to use when the hair is wet and it smells so good. And I'm going to start sectioning off and curling the rest of my hair. Sometimes I'll have frizz, so I like to kind of smooth it out with my fingertips. Rolled everything up very loosely. As you can tell, some of it is kind of coming down, but that's okay. Actually, no, this one's not okay. Hold on. You see how already my curtain bangs are doing their thing? They have a little swag to them. I like to wait for about 15 minutes for the heat to settle, and also using the Tresemme heat tamer, this is going to help lock in that shape and style that I want even longer. Just had my dinner and I'm pretty much done. They feel nice and cool. I love wearing curtain bangs for this specific style. So if you can tell right now, the ends right here look super blunt. So I'm going to be using these blending shears to blend the edges. Grab this kind of right at the end. Do a few snips and just a tiny bit comes off. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's not too bad. So you have a lot of control in terms of blending your ends with something like this. So that's gonna give it more of that feathered out look, which I really love when it comes to curtain bangs. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the All Things Hair channel for more tips, tutorials, and hair inspo, and thank you so much for watching.